Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about some of the ways you can make a rental home feel like your own. So whether you're renting a house, an apartment, whether you're in a temporary space for school, there are design tips you can use to make this space reflect you, your personality, and feel more like home and a space you're excited to come home to at the end of the day. My first tip is to rent your furniture from CORT. CORT is a furniture rental service and they allow you to take the stress out of moving in and out and have more flexibility with your home, whether you're there commuting for work or at school or in a rental, and you need to fill in with those essential furniture pieces and then have the freedom to buy all the accessories to make the space more personalized to you. They have a huge stylish collection, and I recently visited a store and took a look at all their pieces and I was super impressed with the variety and all of the different styles they offered. My second tip is textiles are key. Think from the ground up and think about layers of rugs, pillows, throw blankets, and in the bedroom, all the layers of bedding. Upgrading your textiles is so important to making your room feel inviting, and whether you're adding color and personality with throw pillows or coziness with extra throw blankets, it makes a huge difference when you think about all the key textiles that are in the room. Layers of lighting is my third tip. This is super important because overhead lighting can often be really harsh and unflattering. So you want to depend on lighting that's at the level of your eyes or face, whether you're sitting or standing. So table lamps, floor lamps, any ambient lighting that will illuminate the room and give it a soft glow that looks a lot better and makes you feel better when you're in the space. My fourth tip is to think bigger with your artwork. This is important because sometimes it can feel really scattered when you have a lot of small art pieces and it doesn't give a place for your eye to rest visually in the room. So getting prints as large as possible and then finding affordable frames that can allow you to get the artwork as big as possible and create a really cohesive look in the room. So those are all my tips. I hope they were helpful. Let me know if you have any thoughts or suggestions in the comments below, and thank you to CORT for partnering with me on this video to share these tips on how to make a rental feel like home. Thanks for watching!